Hello guys, welcome back to this week's Tech Bite. Hope you're doing well. Let's get started. Facebook is blocking New York University Ad Observatory researchers from researching and analyzing Facebook's political ad targeting technique. The social media company says this is against its terms of service. Sad news coming up next. Samsung lost its chairman, Mr. Lee Kun-hee, who suffered a heart attack and is no more. He played a key role in the rise of Samsung to the smartphone market. He is also Korea's richest man and of an era for Samsung. Apple buys AI company to boost Siri. The iPhone maker bought Barcelona-based Wings, which builds AI tools that analyze videos with the goal of understanding what's in them for $50 million. Amazon's profit tripled. Amazon sales grew 37% to $96.1 billion in the third quarter, driven by the demand in this pandemic, with net profit growth up to $6.33 billion. TikTok and ByteDance have accused Triller and have issued a copyright infringement on Triller. Its competitor, Triller CEO, replied, "It's a David Goliath story and looks forward for the court day." Twitter on Saturday announced that has banned political ads on its platform. Twitter revealed that political reach should be earned but not bought. It also jabbed at Facebook for displaying political ads without verification. Vivo V20 SE with 48MP triple camera setup launched in India. The smartphone will go on sale starting November 3 and will be available for purchase via the major e-commerce portals. So this was the video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech. And coming up is a great video for animators. Just subscribe and click on the bell notifications for more updates on tech.